I'm Chef Paisley. I'm making pizza. All your toppings. Some sauce, some garlic, basil, and some cheese.
What's next?
Some pepperoni, and some salami, and some olives, and some cheese. How about some sauce?
That's enough?
Yeah.
Now what's next?
This one.
All right, spread it all around. Sprinkle it all around.
That's enough.
That's enough?
Yeah. But this one. Now I have sauce. I have sauce. I have sauce. Sprinkle. Cheese. I need more sauce. On some cheese. That's enough. I got some more toppings. Okay. Some more.
I think that's good. I think that's good. Great job. What else do you have left?
From my dear. Some olives.
Grab a big handful and sprinkle them all around.
Some pepperoni. And some olives. And some salami. Next is some pepperoni. Hey, where's my spoon go? Where's my spoon? Let's have for some pepperoni. Some salami on a pizza. Now add some pepperoni.
Great job.
Okay.
Okay, are they ready to go into the oven?
And where we go? Oven! I'm ready to go oven! Oven? 630.
Okay.
And now we wait. It's all done. Let's open it. Pizza! Now we're gonna cut it. Delicious. Delicious.
Does it smell good?
Yeah. Take a small rice. Then make pizza. 5 friends.